like you.
I'm Chilly Willy the penguin. No wonder I'm so chilly all the time. I stand around and freeze and cough and wheeze and sneeze. That's why I'm Chilly Willy all the time. Poor me, I quiver and I quake. Poor me, me, oh my, for goodness sake, I'm Chilly Willy the penguin. Oh gee, oh gosh, I'm chilly all the time.
Hop, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 2, 3, 4. Halt! Order arms, man. Yow! Your plane is ready, Admiral.
Good. Now guard that food until I return.
Yes, sir. That's Admiral Byrd. Vamos, boy. No free lunch today.
I say, have you seen my little boy around here, Bub? A kid about this size? Haven't seen him, huh, Bub? Well, thanks. I'll repeat. Thanks anyway, Bub.
Now that there is what I call a neat trick. You know, I'll bet I could do it.
Here's your ball, Bub. Let me know if you see my boy. It's just me again. I say it's just me again, looking for my boy.
No spoofing, folks. That there is about the best trick I've ever seen. Do that again, boy. Once more, boy. There's one born every minute, folks.
Son! Where you been, boy? Your ma's worried sick. I say sick, sick, sick. Hey, Ma, I found a boy. I found the little rascal, Ma.
Well, now, I told you I'd learn that trick.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed our show. Join us again on our next program for a half hour of fun with your old pal, Woody Woodpecker.
See you on our next show. Bye now.